Hello everyone and welcome in today's video. Happy New Year to everybody. I want to take this moment to wish everybody Happy New Year. Okay, I want to wish all those that have subscribed into this channel. I want to wish all the new subscribers, and I also want to wish Happy New Year to all those that are intending to subscribe. I wish you all are spending a wonderful New Year. As for me, it's great and it's going well. And I pray that this new year good for all of us, okay? So today we'll be cooking porridge yam again. Signature porridge yam we'll be cooking today for the new year. Follow me as we do the cooking. So the first thing is we'll be prepping our meats. I just took it off from the freezer, okay? We'll be cleaning it, okay, as I do it. I'll cut the plastic wrap in order to clean the meat. Look at the meat, guys. This is goat meat, goat meat for the cooking. Okay? So I'll be cleaning the meat, removing the old blocks. I'm going to continue to with this process. Put it in the comment section what you are making for your new year. Can you put it in the comment where are you watching me from? Thank you. See guys, I also use scissors to cut where I need to cut. Guys, I'm done washing the meat. I'm just washing it extra to remove all the bloody water. I'm just washing it water. Next, I'll put it in the pot. So I'll be putting it in my pot, boil it. After putting the meat into the pot, the next thing will be seasoning to the pot. The other thing will be salt, and you can use any salt of your choice, any color salt of your choice. That is the next thing, and we'll take it to the fire. Guys, this is our pot on the fire, so I will turn the stove on and then I will cover the pot and wait for it to cook like 30 minutes. So while the meat is cooking, see that while the pot is cooking, we'll go ahead to prepare our yams, to clean our yams, clean all the condiments or the spices. Follow me, guys. And if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, please. Comment, share. Let me know what you like more about this video. Tell me how you cook your own porridge yam. This is how I cook. This is one of the ways in which I cook my own porridge yam. Watch my other videos. I have another video there that I cook porridge, and I want to cook another one today. Let's see how it goes. So right now you can see our yams. We'll be peeling the yams, cutting it into smaller pieces and cleaning it. Watch the end, guys. Guys, it's time for us to clean our. Do you have a special way you clean your yams, that you easily clean your yams? This is how I do it. So after cleaning our yams, we chop it into smaller pieces. We remove all the dirt. We chop it into smaller pieces. So with the yam, you can cut it as you like. Okay, I like to cut it to when it is smaller, it prepares fast. So I will do like this until all the yam is finished. Guys, this is the end cleaned. Okay, so I'm going to set it aside, blend or to crush my spices. So for the spices of today, this is what we have. I'll be using onion, I'll be using ginger, and I'll be using garlic. Watch as I do it. So I'll put it in my machine. The next thing, I'll go in with the ginger. I'm going to pieces the ginger into smaller pieces. Next thing is the onion. As you can see, I'm going to crush this one first. Guys, if you noticed, we put the meat on the fire, didn't put any onion because I wanted the meat to boil before I come in with the onion. Look at the pot, guys. See how it's bubbling. So I'm going to, and I'll put in the chopped onion, garlic, and ginger. Okay, look at it, guys. See? So, and I'll cover it for it to cook and infused inside. Hope you are watching the videos, guys. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Guys, the next thing is we'll go ahead and wash our peeled yams. As you're washing, we're just going to pick it out. So our yam is clean. Look at it. Guys, so our meat is already ready. Okay, and we'll be going in with our yams. That's the next thing. So pour our yams. I'll go in with a little bit of red oil, just a little bit. So I'll adjust it with a little bit of salt, and then I'll adjust it with seasoning as well. Next thing is to cover for it to cook. Guys, I'm going to add in a little bit of water. I'll cover the pot to cook for about 15 minutes. So we'll come back to check for it in 15 minutes. Guys, it's time for us to go in with our crayfish. As you can see, guys, look at how the pot is. Right now we are going to go in with our crayfish. Okay, let's go in with our crayfish. See that? We'll go ahead and stir. So I need to test the salt to make sure that it's properly adjusted. So nice. So when the meat was ready, I took it out. I will put it back in. I took it out to prevent it from overcooking. Can you go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and share the video? Let me bring the camera near. Look, it's almost ready. I like to put in a little bit of olive oil to make it shiny. Go ahead and cover the pot to cook. Guys, let me know in the comments cooking for your new year, for your family. Let's check the pot to see if it is already ready. If it is ready, we'll turn off the fire and we'll serve. Okay, just checking the salt. Everything is balanced and ready. Guys, bring your plates. Don't forget to like, comment, share to your family. Thank you for watching. Now we're going to serve ourselves. Guys, let's serve. And if you're around me, I invite you to come eat with us. Look at how it looks like, guys. Guys, look at it. It's ready.